Hello, greetings from Kotak Mutual Fund. What an incredible journey we have seen in equity market. In March 20, we were at the bottom at 7,500 Nifty. In January 21, we are crossing 14,000. This relentless rally has caught people by surprise and are now asking question what to do. In our opinion, this mother of bear market to mother of bull market has happened due to convergence of flows, sentiments, and fundamentals. Foreign portfolio investors brought about $23 billion equity in calendar year 2020. Their buying has continued in first half of January 21, though in second half they have turned net seller. Retail investors have been continuously buying throughout calendar year 2020 as well as 21 January. Number of active cases coming down, economy returning to normalcy. This has pushed sentiments higher and higher on a month-on-month basis. Most importantly, fundamentals have improved dramatically. If you look at this chart, Nifty 50 companies delivered profit of 50,688 crores for the March 20 quarter ending. Due to lockdown, for June 20 quarter ending, expectations were low and the profit came at 46,070 crore, a drop of more than 49% on a year-on-year basis. September quarter expectations were low, but the profit came for Nifty 50 companies at 1,10,000 crore. This was 35% higher on a year-on-year basis. This was the highest ever quarterly profit by India Inc. This earnings growth has really made market fairly priced rather than expensive, as was expected earlier. Flows, sentiments, and fundamentals all are supporting market, and hence, while one should be ready to accept volatility, our view is that one should remain invested in the market. These fundamentals are improving because companies have cut costs, they have become more productive, they have tightened their resources, and they are getting big bang for every buck they are spending. More importantly, after 23 quarters of downgrade, analysts are upgrading Nifty earning per share. While the entire December quarter results are not out, the results so far have been fantastic. Companies are reporting volume growth between 15% to 40% and profit growth also ahead of expectation. About 150 odd companies have delivered profit of almost 50% plus on a year-on-year basis. If this fundamentals continue, if this corporate earnings continue, we will see markets moving eventually higher with some volatility. One question which people ask, should we invest in large cap, mid cap or small cap? Well, both large cap and mid cap index are generally trading at their lifetime high level. Small cap index, on the other hand, is still lower compared to Jan 18 level. We believe this is the time to be equal weight equity, and within that, marginally underweight large cap and marginally overweight small and mid cap. From a valuation point of view, Indian equity market is trading just little above its average. On a price to earning basis, we are at about 22 times. But as I mentioned, earnings are improving rapidly. On a price to books basis, we are at about 3 times, just marginally above our historical average of 2.7. More importantly, if you look at market cap to GDP ratio, it's at about 98%, while it is certainly higher than our historical average of 75%, it is much lower compared to global average of 115%. Looking at valuation, our call is it's time to be equal weight equity, and within that marginally underweight large cap and marginally overweight small and mid cap. What if a customer wants to invest on a lump sum basis? Well, you don't have to refuse him, but do highlight that STP and SIP are better way of investing in equity. However, we do have two products where customers can invest on a lump sum basis. One is our Kotak Balance Advantage Fund. Other one is Kotak Asset Allocator Fund. In both these funds, we do allocation in equity and fixed income based on valuation of the market. Instead of you doing allocation, we do the allocation between debt and equity, and hence lump sum investments can be considered. The next question which people ask, what do we do about systematic investment plan? Well, the whole purpose of SIP is to make regular investments throughout the ups and downs of the market. In the Jan 20 period, most equity funds in our stable were delivering double-digit return across most time periods. In March 20, they all started giving negative returns for up to 5 years. People who continued their SIP are today again seeing double-digit return across most equity funds across most time periods. Do continue your SIP even though markets are reaching all-time high level. Equity market by nature are going to swing between pessimism and optimism. They are going to swing between greed and fear. They are going to swing between cheap valuation and expensive valuation. The nature of the market is to move up and down. The best way to participate in this journey is to be a regular investor through systematic investment plan, through systematic transfer plan, be a long-term investor through disciplined asset allocation. We look forward to your continued participation in this journey.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.